This water feels amazing, so refreshing, and a great day to go for a swim. I just don't have my bathing suit. But anyway, this pool just recently was heated by the HOA, and so you have an opportunity to swim year-round over here. But we wanted to show you our new listing here at the Courtyard. So welcome to the Courtyard here in Port Aransas. Look at the beautiful colors and decor in this condo. This is a studio or efficiency, but you can see it has amazing space. The sofa pulls out into a sleeper, and behind this curtain right here, it's actually a quilt, but behind that quilt is a Murphy bed, and there's even a pump with sleep number mattress inside. So if comfort is your thing, this is it. So for a kitchen, this is really well done. You have all the appliances you need. It is a small little oven here, so cute, and it works. It's perfect for a short weekend or a week at the beach. Refrigerator, plenty of shelves, and this is stocked. Lots of space in here. I love the white cabinets too. Most of the units out here have not been updated like this.
Nice wood cabinets too.
Yeah, nice wood cabinets. The sellers have put in extra storage for everything you could possibly need to cook a meal. There's even a coffee bar right over on that side of the kitchen. Off the living room, there's a vanity in a separate area, which really makes it nice if you have more than one person trying to get ready. And then the shower is in there with the toilet. So yeah, great space. Did you notice how pretty these floors are? Perfect low maintenance floors for the beach.
So here at the Courtyard, affectionately known as, look at this, a beautiful courtyard. Luscious palm trees. We've got these gazebos set up for family gatherings, cookouts, plenty of tables. We've got units upstairs and down to keep the grounds just meticulously maintained. So again, here at the Courtyard, it's all about convenience, right? So right over my left shoulder here, it's less than a block and you're right at the beach. So walking distance, if you wanted to rent your golf cart, run down there. Very, very convenient and very popular for those reasons. So this is the view of the pool from the second floor. And again, this courtyard is just really, really gorgeous.
This condo, number 216, is here on the end. So you have a corner, you have upstairs. It's going to be a lot more quiet, more private. And then you've got these gorgeous shade trees, well, palm tree. And then across what's over here. What's that?
Now we're going to walk down these steps, which are convenient. There you got two brand new pickleball courts. Another new amenity.
Yes, it's something that renters really, really like. So this is one you definitely need to keep on the list. Just like Carl said, come get a private tour, and I think you're going to be very interested. It's a great low price too.